Let's go. Jeez. Yeah, we can smoke this car. This BMW driver. Yeah. He thought he had it with this car. Oh. We don't want to let the turbo like open up. Car handles like rails. Did you see that? This car handles like rails. Struggling. No way. Tried it. He tried it. Would you believe it? This can't hit the limiter so quick. This car, man. I'm dreaming about having cars like this. So, second, third gear is it? Push it down, then that doesn't mean it. PD130 is fast though, man. Again, is that a brand new Vauxhall? Yep, 25 plate Vauxhall Corsa. I don't really like new cars, and this is the reason why. Hello. Excuse me. What are you trying to do? Fifth gear pull. Let's go. This is what's called money well spent on a car to do this. You see that? That's what this car's made for. Come on, man. It's got chain coilovers. It's gonna handle the bends like it's on rails. Boom. Second gear downshift. Watch this. Look at that. Come on, guys. I know I'm stuck in traffic, but gosh, this car gives you the joys, and I love it so much. And I'm telling you guys, you have to break the bullet and get in a Honda Civic, and honestly it'll transform you. Boom. So agile this car is. Thank you. Let's take the right lane. Excuse me, bud. Brand new taxi car. Look at a Tesla. I'm telling you, don't buy a Tesla, guys. Oh, this car just goes. Honestly, if you haven't felt VTEC, you need to feel it. car though, beautiful car. That's quick, yeah. Give me the boost.
Don't want to crush that.
That BMW is quick. Probably 1970s BMW 3 litre CSL. Don't know what that stands for, but definitely not slow. Must be an engine swap. I had to go in high boost just to keep up with it.